Well, here's the magic cabinet. That was my awesome gift that someone rather magical gave to me this week, and I've been trying to figure out what am I going to do with it. So I thought I'd share this with you. I was sitting here in my little office. Oh, and that's a beautiful bronze that my grandmother gave me. Absolutely love it. Love, 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 love it. And it's very magical, believe me. Anyway, I have, and it's not a book of shadows actually. This sort of gives you an idea of the size of this cabinet. It's quite big. That's my hand. I have a book, and well, you could keep your book of shadows in there, but this book, I'm not even going to show you the inside of it, and just you can see how big it is. It's massive. I think it's double A4. It is double A4. So what's that? We've got to go to it's A3 size. It fits in perfectly inside. I can't get over it. I'm so excited. But this book, I'm not going to show you what's in it, is actually the project, the big project that I've been working on for so long, and it fits perfectly in here. Oh, and here's the other thing. This is so fantastic. It's the most magical thing ever. It opens up. I haven't put anything in there yet, but I know what I'm going to put in there actually. Part of the project. Oh, there she is sitting on top of my book. But just how fantastic is that? It fits perfectly. I'm so excited that I found its magical use. It's to keep all my notes for this project, and also the next one, because this one's coming to an end and I have another one of these books. I'm going to put it in there while I'm working on the next one. Oh, it's so exciting. So I just had to share.